What's going on, man? You stand?
Hey, Jaden.
Yes, sir.
Hey, nice to finally meet you. Nice to meet you.
So we working on this one today? Or we working on this
Just
one?
doing a little cleaning and a little engine work here. Nothing major here. This is my pride and joy, kind of, as far as engine goes. 383 stroker. The car itself is an 81 Corvette. Of course, it has literally 33,000 miles on the chassis. The motor is a Summit racing motor, pushing about 420. Of course, with the side pipes and everything else.
You went ahead and did this yourself? Because this looks nice.
We had those, and I didn't do it myself, but a friend of mine did it.
That looks really cool, man.
They line up right, they sound right. It's a beast when she fires up.
So how long have you had it?
A little over a year. It's actually a COVID car. I bought it during COVID.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
So it was interesting getting the title transferred and all the stuff we had to go through with that. But other than that, yeah, she's lean, mean, and she's really loud.
So what we got going on over here? You have a C4?
That's a C4 1989.
Got the leather interior.
59,000 original miles, of course. Everything's original. This is a stock car for the most part. What makes this special for me in my heart, A, it looked like my Pinewood Derby car when I was a kid, but B, it's a factory 6-speed. There's 4,000 plus made, and it was only like 400, I believe, of this color combination.
So chance like the few have it.
Yeah, and the nice part is C4s are finally going up in value. If you watch Eikon or Peter Jackson, C4s are actually going up in value. I got this car for a steal about 7 years ago, and she's probably already worth double what I paid for her.
That's crazy.
You youngins don't know how the gas used to go in back in the day. Yeah, both of them, they had, gas tanks in the center. Didn't matter what side of the pump you pulled on.
That's insane.
You didn't have to worry about right side, left side.
But I got your C5.
This is why we're here. This is my soon-to-be show car. We had a little issue with installing the driver's side door when when you guys first showed up. Thankfully, you guys are awesome, incredible. You showed up and actually did the correction, which it wasn't you guys' fault. I know that.
Yeah, I want to go ahead and just take a little bit of ownership in that. It's just due to the lack of actual C5s that we actually get the experience on doing. It takes a lot of effort and a lot of actual maintaining what we actually got going on. So just due to inexperience, probably why you ended up having the experience that you did yourself. So we do apologize that, and we want to take accountability for that. So I'm glad that we can go ahead and get you worked on today.
You guys have taken full accountability for it and actually made it right. It is, in my opinion, perfect. I know it's an old car, it's a C5. I know the Corvette world's gonna say, oh, it's only a C5, but it's my C5, it's my pride and joy, it's what I worked for all my life.
So when Sean came out here first, it was obviously his first C5. He's done tons of C8s and a few other vehicles. His experience is obviously top notch. So there was no question about can he do this or not. There's obviously different complications and different specifics that go with each individual type of vehicle. And it wasn't that he couldn't do it, it was in over my head, I don't have the experience that's required to guarantee the outcome of this to be the way that the customer or the way that Eikon's kind of standard is of perfection. So I decided to come back out. It was almost a month after the situation. I was going through some stuff medically myself, as all you guys know. So I tried my hardest to get out here. I'm in pain right now, but we got it done. So the guys are gonna show you kind of what we did and kind of give you the overall finished look of the vehicle itself.
You guys saw the challenge, and what happened is you guys stepped up to the plate, and that's what makes things awesome. When you got a company that will actually freaking step up to the plate and actually come back, and you and Tim, the owner, took it upon themselves to show up to my little humble abode and make it right.
This is a really cool man cave you got here though, man. I like your little Steelers wagon. I think it's sick.
I can't just tell you how much I appreciate that, the work ethic and the labor involved. Everybody thinks these things are easy. I thought myself back in the day, shoot, I'll put them on. And how hard is it? A couple hinges, a couple bolts, put it on. After seeing what we did today, it literally took, 7 hours prep or work. And that was working straight through, no breaks, no lunches. You guys busted ass, and I'm just so thankful that I did not try to take this project all upon myself. I would have had everything done and the car would probably been totaled by the time I was done with it, and I would have had to call somebody else to come fix it anyhow.
Alright, so we went ahead and got your vertical door kit put on. I'm excited to see how it looks.
Let's open one up.
Let's do it.
Notice first of all, before you say anything, I'm admiring the seams. They're perfect. All right, they're back to where they were. We're stock again. Effortless.
Oh, we got one.
We got one up.
What about that other side? Let's see it.
This is the side that gave us fits in the beginning with Sean. But like Tim states, Sean knew when to say help and brought in, did not do any further issues with the car. So he made sure that it was done right. And that's what I appreciated. He knew that he needed a little more experience on this. However, what I'm looking at here is the perfect lines. Everything matches up fine. The hinge design works. The way the car doors actually open is seamless. Very simple to open, very easy to lift. The shock or whatever the strut you want to call that. Definitely provides an emphasis to where it's just real easy to lift up and down.
Would you like to hop in and try it out?
I guess I would like to hop in and try that out. So my first time inside the car to open it. Boom. Boom.
Nice.
Just that simple. And look at this. I mean, don't mind the dust. But wow, definitely puts a whole different look on the car. Definitely puts a whole different feel on the car. Easy to get in and out now. I mean, I don't have to worry about anything. My wife is gonna actually like to drive this car now because she doesn't have to worry about getting in and out. And the nice part about having vertical doors I'm gonna take advantage of is when you're in a parking lot. Now granted, Corvette owners do not park close to people, but people always park close to you. So therefore it'll cut the amount of space that this door would normally open if we didn't have this on. That was one of the things I actually was looking forward to when I got this on. So as you can see in my garage, I have 3 wide. This actually takes a lot less room for me to open and get out, and I don't have to worry about dinging my other car's doors. Not that I would, but I still got to worry about that.
All right, guys. So Tim, Jaden, Stan over there, somewhere over there. Yeah. Oh, he's taking some photos. So I'm gonna check out here in York Springs, Pennsylvania. It's been a great day. I'm so happy, so glad we were able to come back, get this finished for him. He's been waiting for a while. So until next time, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. We're gonna start doing giveaways. Our kits are shipping out June 9th, and then obviously we'll have them in stock ever since then from that date going forward. So obviously only for the C8, however, but we will more than likely probably be manufacturing some kits for some other vehicles. Obviously we got some Tesla plans going on, and I'll keep my mouth shut for some other things. But stay tuned. Like I said, everything helps. It's been fun. It's really surreal to kind of be back out traveling after being on bed rest for 2.5 months, and I'm in pain. I did a lot of this work on this car today, and it's been, I don't know how to say it, it's been something weird. You know, when I first landed in Philadelphia a few days ago, we had a couple of the cars that we were doing too. But when I first landed in Philadelphia, it was like, what do I do from here? I just didn't know, because it's been months, you know, since I've been out. So it feels good. Got in the swing of things.
Hey, you gotta get a phone.
Feeling better for sure. So, but yeah, until next time, guys, have a good one.
Hey everybody, we'll see you soon.
Thank you, Eikon. Rock.